Lesson 9. Asking, answering. What's this?
It's a pen.
What am I doing?
You're asking him a question.
What's this?
It's a hand.
Am I asking her a question?
Yes, you're asking her a question.
What's this?
It's a head.
What's he doing?
He's answering your question.
What's this?
It's a mouth.
Is she answering my question?
Yes, she's answering your question.
Ask him a question, please. To have, contraction. I've, you've, he's, she's, it's, we've, you've, they've. I have, you have, he has, she has, it has, we have, you have, they have. What's the meaning of the verb to have?
The meaning of the verb to have is avere.
What's the contraction of I have, you have, etc.?
I've, you've, etc.
Have I two eyes?
Yes, you've two eyes.
Have you two ears?
Yes, I've two ears.
Has he two legs?
Yes, he's two legs.
Has she two hands?
Yes, she's two hands.
Have we two heads?
Yes, we've two heads.
Have they four arms?
Yes, they've four arms.
Any, non-specific. Yes, some. No, not any. How many? Specific. 13, etc. None. Non-specific, interrogative, negative, positive. For example, when. Any and some mean qualche, but we use any for the interrogative and negative, and some for the positive. For example, we say, are there any books on the table? Yes, there are some books on the table. Are there any books on the floor? No, there aren't any books on the floor. Any we use in a non-specific question, whilst how many is specific and has a specific answer, 13, 14, 20, etc., or none. When the question is any, the answer is yes, some, or no, not any. But when the question is how many, the answer is 2, 3, etc., or none. What is the meaning of the words any and some?
The meaning of the words any and some is qualche.
What's the difference between any and some?
The difference between any and some is that we use any in interrogative and negative sentences, whilst we use some in positive sentences.
Any. Are there any books on this table?
Yes, there are some books on this table.
Are there any pictures on these walls?
Yes, there are some pictures on these walls.
Have you any shoes on your feet?
Yes, I've some shoes on my feet.
Not any. Are there any books on the floor?
No, there aren't any books on the floor.
Are there any pictures on that chair?
No, there aren't any pictures on that chair.
Are there any chairs on the table?
No, there aren't any chairs on the table.
None. Class, classroom. How many books are there on the table?
There are 7 books on the table.
How many books are there on the floor?
There are none.
How many pictures are there on these walls?
There are 2 pictures on these walls.
How many pictures are there on that chair?
There are none.
How many pupils are there in this classroom?
There are 12 pupils in this classroom.
How many pupils are there sitting on the floor?
There are none.